Sino ka man? Mali mo nang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang walang nauwinig sa'yo. Ano pa ang iyong nakaraan? Mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. We have cats, but I don't like them. My kids, they love all animals. All pets, all animals. I'm not doing good. Winston, ikaw ay ibigin mo. You still have some time. Ako'y sometime na umibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin. I don't like the smell of the cat. I have asthma. I'm gonna die. Joy. Talaga. Sino? My husband is bakit ng ulo ko? Tapos ganyan pa yung mababasa ko. Ay siya. I need to bye guys. Thank you so much. See you later. I need to go out. Ayoko gabi lumabas eh. Thank you, thank you. See you later. Magla-live ako after. Or